Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video I will be doing an Hermes unboxing. This is going to be my last haul, my last unboxing from Hermes of 2021, and I got a couple of items here. So I got it in this beautiful orange box, and for some reason the other package were actually wrapped like this. So this is actually very interesting. So this is like that. I was totally surprised when I got it. It's like, wow, this is a really nice packaging. It says Hermes right there. And let me open this one first. Okay, so let me show you what I got. So this is how it looks inside. And surprisingly, when I got this, it did not come in with a ribbon at all. I don't know why. Maybe because they have already used this box, but this is the orange box. And let me show you what I got. Let me put her aside. And I got, okay, this box right here, something was written right here. It says, you already know what I'm about to show you guys. It is a scarf right here. To clean your Hermes scarves, we advise you to have them dry cleaned, and please remember that printed silk can be damaged by rain. Very interesting. And obviously I got a scarf. So let me show you what I got. Oh my gosh, I am so excited for this. Look at that. Wow. Right here. So let me just open this completely so that you guys will be able to see what I got. It is a scarf. So that's how it looks. Right there. Oh my gosh. The color is so vibrant. It's so beautiful. When I saw this on the website, I was like, wow, this is perfect. I am more likely of like a visual person, and when I saw the design, the beautiful pop of colors, I said I have to have it. Wow. So this is the La Serpentine de Pierre Charpent Scarf 45, and this is the conversion for this is 18 by 18 inches. 18 by 18 inches right there. The design is so simple. And at the back, let me show you the back side of it. This is how it looks at the back right there. Oh my gosh, this one is really smooth. The silk is absolutely amazing. And I just love, look at the equestrian figure right there. Oh my gosh, this is amazing, guys. I love it. So, oh, here, this was designed by Pierre Charpent right there. That's his name right there. Wow. And then the logo Hermes Paris. And it is also a trademark right here at the back as well. It is just like that. I like how simple it is. Wow, I just can't get over of how beautiful this piece. This one is made in France, and also made up of course, 100% pure silk. And right here at the hem or the edges, this one is also hand rolled as well. So you guys can see right there. Wow, this is so beautifully done. I mean, the silk, the color is so vibrant. The design is so simple and yet so elegant. Wow. Look at the equestrian right there. It's so beautiful. So this is my first item. I was debating whether I wanted to use this or framed it. And I am actually looking for something from Hermes that I could frame for the very first time. So I am trying to work on some sort of like interior designing and stuff in my room. And I would like to have one from Louis Vuitton and also from Hermes. And I think this one is cute. Very, very nice. It just the vibrant, the color that is so vibrant, what sold me in this. And that beautiful equestrian figure as well. So anyway, moving on to the next item right here in this package. So this one was shipped separately. So I got this on the website. Those shopping bags, they are not included. Those are the bags that I have already in the past. And this one is a ribbon. It didn't came in with this box right here. So this one was ordered and placed separately. Because as far as I remember, when I checked the website, this one became available and it was sold out right away. And then this one came right after. So anyway, let me show you the second item. And it is going to be, okay, another bandeau. It is a bandana. So they gave you all this information right here on how to wear it. Right there. So let's just give you a little bit of an idea on how to use it. So there is a lot of ways. So they actually that was presented here. There were at least 7 of them. Okay, so that is the bandana. And oh my gosh, I'm so excited for this. Okay, here we come. Here she comes. Oh my gosh, look at that. Oh wow. When I saw this in the website, a little after like a few days when the other one showed up, I was like, wow. I mean, I love this color. This is actually the iconic Hermes color, the vermilion, the orange one, the vermilion. And oh my gosh, it is amazing. So let me just open this one first so that you will be able to see the entire print of this. So this is how it looks right here. And it says right there at the top, I mean, the color for this is amazing. The vermilion color, the black and white color is actually amazing. I wonder what this is. Maybe this one right here. I wonder what are these. Are they paisley? This one. I love that design right there. And then it says there at the top, the Le Nouveau Amoureux de Paris. Le Nouveau Amoureux de Paris. I mean, the translation for that in English is the new lovers of Paris. Wow. This is in the size 55 and it's equivalent to 22 by 22 inches. Made up of 100% silk. Those edges right there are still the same as the hem, or the edges are hand rolled as well. This one is made in, it says right here, okay, this one is made in France right there, 100% silk. This one is amazing. Look at that. Just gonna give you a closer look of everything and what is going on in every illustration. Wow, the silk is so soft. It feels so luxurious. It's so smooth. Oh my goodness. This one is amazing. So right there, there's Hermes Paris. And another reason that caught my attention on this beautiful piece is the story behind it. So in Paris, the city of love. This one right here, as you guys can see, the four corners of it, 1, 2, 3, 4. The four corners of it, you could see the cupids. So we have 1 cupid, 2, right there. We have 3, and the fourth cupids actually protects the lovers and make sure magic happens. So this is the story behind this bandana right here. And this is the reinterpretation designed by Pierre Marie, and it pays tribute to illustrious people of all ages and horizons. Wow. Look at that right there. People are running. Look at that. The horseback riding right there, holding hands. Looks like he is proposing to her. Look at that in a bike. They are together. This one is more likely the story about people on all walks of life in the city of love. Oh my gosh. Look at that with those two little kids right there with the flower behind him. And on top of that, it just reminds me of like this story of people like who are so in love and how they spent their time together as the time goes by, when they were probably kids and then teenagers, and then they have like something in common together, that they play golf and then skateboarding together, and then in the end they grow old together. Just like that. That's my interpretation for this, actually. That's why I found this very, very interesting. And I just love every illustrations to it. Wow. So lovely. It is so beautiful. And yeah, I was debating whether I wanted to frame this one or the other one. But I think this one is gorgeous. The quality for this, the craftsmanship around the edges, the print is amazing. The silk is so smooth and soft. The illustrations are gorgeous. The design, the color, oh my gosh, every figure right there is amazing. And I spotted an Eiffel Tower as well. Wow, this one is gorgeous. Definitely. I think this is the one. This is the one that I'm going to frame. Definitely. So yeah. So these are my last purchase of this year, and I am so excited to, I'm not sure, maybe I will have this one framed or this one, but I think this one. This bandana actually tells you a lot of stories though. Wow, a lot of everything that everybody can relate to what's in every illustration on this. So anyway, that's it for today, guys. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in my next video. Bye.